Hey guys, right, welcome. This is going to be a bit of a different video. I've made a waste oil heater. So I've done this today. So it's a fire extinguisher. I haven't filled it up yet. Fire extinguisher thing, gate valve, sight. You'll see it dump down there, go down there, into there. So this was already existing. And I've actually welded that on today. So you can see the welder. Did the welder and all that today. So I've got a handle here that should be open and it'll be shut, so you can see that, and then that's open there to let the air in. So the idea is we've got like a puppy bowl and you draw holes around there, 10mm holes. So the idea is the air gets sucked through there and then goes that way. So this is the first time, as you can see it's brand new. I haven't used it yet, so I'm a little bit nervous. So the idea is actually to get oil, and you'll just see it. You'll just see what happens. I've got to fill it up with oil and metho, and then it lights up, heats up this, and then we turn the oil on later on. But you'll see it in a minute. So, and the last piece, the idea of this brake rotor. You can see all the little flutes down there. The fire should go through there and out those holes. That's what it's supposed to do anyway. There you go. Right. Alright, let me fill up the reservoir. I've got the oil there. That's the waste oil and some metho. Right, we're going to fill this up. The waste oil, make sure it's turned off. Okay. So the oil is about there. So there's the oil level. If you can see that. It's about there. Well, so I'll take this back out. And then I'll put some metho in there. Oh, come on. Just splash some metho in there. And now I'll put some oil in there as well. Put some oil in there, where is that? Put some oil in there. Alright. So we've got that there. And then what we do is we put the rotor back on top. Alright, there we go. I'm just going to light it now. So I'm going to use a gas lighter. Okay, so that's lit. Right, so the idea is once that's lit, this will all get red hot, and then you can just see down there where the copper pipe is. The oil should land on that and vaporize the oil, and then she should take off. Now I've got that to full. That's off. So we want that to full. And now we're going to shut the door. Hopefully you can hear. We're hoping to see. That's taken off really nice there now. Hopefully we can actually hear that noise. So we'll wait 5 minutes. Alright, so we've had it going for about 10 minutes. So we've got, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I can't see that properly. Anyway, I've got this.
Smoking.
So just before it was 140, now it's 166. And you can see it going up, 164, 165. Right there is usually the hottest, it's 180, 190. So it's getting there. Takes a while to build up the heat. So just before, now it's 170 sunny on the top, so it's getting hotter. So, and you can feel the heat off it. It's not super hot, but we're getting there. You can see I put that behind there. You can see the stream. I'm hoping. There it is. And it's probably used 20 ml of oil down in that. So we're getting there. What are we now? Let's hit 200 right there. So we're getting hotter. We'll come back a bit later. What do you think? What do you think?
Aren't you clever?
Well, it's getting there. It's slowly, but you can actually feel it. But anyway. Alright.
Wow.
Alright, I can really feel the heat. Let's see what it is now. Just went for a shower. Oh, 360. 340 and it's 390 there. What is it right at the front there? 312. So she's actually pretty warm. Yes, what do you think?
Yeah, lots of heat.
Yeah.
Nice and warm.
So it worked really well. And our oil flows really good. Gee, that's actually warm. That's 300. That's what I wanted, 300. 330. And I've just topped up the oil. Actually, I come back from shower and it was all gone. There you go. Really happy. I think that was a success, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can really feel it now, can't you?
Yeah, you wouldn't want to fall on that, huh?
No.
That would kill you.
Yeah. So we're just sitting down and you can literally see it's so warm. It's only smoking because it ran out of oil and I've just put it on again. But she's nice and warm. Alright, so we're just sitting here and I'm gonna get sick of this, I know. Right,
Yeah,
we've
we
just
already are.
we're
We are sick of it.
315.
And yet you still do it.
Except, okay. And then we actually had flames come out the top.
I'll show you.
I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see that, can you?
No, it's not happening now.
Yeah, of course it's not on video. Oh, we did have flames come out of the top. There it is. You just saw it.
Woohoo! That was exciting.
Okay.
Sorry.
You just sit there looking pretty.
Oh. Well, pretty average.
There's our flow.
It is what it is.
I don't know if you can see the flow there. That's the flow of the oil. Do you need a smoke?
Yep.
She is hot. There you go. Flames coming out top. There you go. Doing well. Doing well. All right, we've got it going. We're crowded around. It's going to light up. Got a little bit of a platter going. There we go. Bit of a platter and some drinks. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
And there you go. Turn that off. It's actually nice and cozy, isn't it? Can't
Yes.
see anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Flames.
We're all cozy.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Video
Hey?
that?
Yeah. Thanks for watching, subscribe and all the rest of it. Bit of a different video, but wanted to show you all of that. That's actually glowing right there. Right there.
Yes,
Cheers, guys.
Yeah,
Hey?
Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheers. Stop it. That's enough.
Hang on, I've got
It's nice too.
to do the temp on this glowing part. We are looking
For the
at,
last time, everybody.
yeah, 335 degrees. 340. Yeah, that's it.
The last time.
She's hot. Yeah, that's glowing. Holy dooly. 350, 360. Okay, so I've just opened it up and she is bloody hot in there. That's a disc brake glowing red. Wow. Actually, I'll get the temperature thing on there. It's 600 degrees. 605 degrees. If that was aluminium, it'd be melted. So this can melt aluminium.
Sorry.
600 degrees, hun.
I know I can see that.
Oh, wow.
Is that the last time we're going to see the temperature thing out?
Yes, it is. Smarty.
We are all very happy.
There you go. She's a success.